Yes, get ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes. Start. Sir, I am very glad that I have the opportunity to take part in the discussion on the demands for grants in respect of the Ministry of Labour. I am glad we have got a very good Labour Minister, but I do not know whether he will be able to take all the necessary steps to improve the labour conditions in the country. Some time back in a meeting, the Labour Minister suggested that steps should be taken to enforce the minimum wages in different industries. Those who do not follow it should be arrested. It should be declared as an offence. It was decided at the meeting that the offenders should be given punishment. For this, the necessary amendment should be made in the Labour Act as it has become outdated. Sir, the Industrial Policy Resolution clearly mentions that in the process of rapid industrial development, labour assumes a vital role in establishing a socialistic pattern of the society. The main problems facing the working class are of getting adequate wages and the essential commodities at prices they can afford. They need shelter. The government's minimum needs program has not reached the working class. The vast majority of laborers are unable to make both ends meet. The government has taken up the matter of making a national policy on wages, income tax, and prices to benefit the labor. The government has claimed that the emergency has brought discipline among the labor class and that the production has increased. It is a fact that the laborers are forced to work and they are not allowed to take part in the activities of the trade unions. I would like to impress upon the minister that the motivation for work should not be imposed from the outside. It should come from within. A satisfied labor is an asset to the development of industries. They are denied the permitted bonus. Also, the Parliament had passed an act to fix their bonus, but the same act was adversely amended by the Parliament some time ago. Now the same government says that bonus is not a deferred wage, it is connected with production. Not only that, some companies are guilty for not depositing the provident fund money of the workers. This money has been mishandled by the companies. Dearness allowance has also been reduced. There are many companies who do not pay DA to its workers on time stop and over